Okay, well, here we are after the big snowstorm and everything. Valentine's Day is when it started. Valentine's night, evening. 2021, February. Now it's the 16th of February. I'm trying to get back to Secura store. I'm riding a 4x4, which is probably more ideal. I'm trying to make it front wheel drive, little light car. I'm doing pretty good. So here we are, about 5 miles away. So far I'm doing pretty good. I haven't been sliding that bad. Just a little bit need to have some good skills driving in this stuff. You definitely don't want to turn fast, that's for sure. Got my hazard lights on. Not sure if that's going to help anyone from hitting me, but maybe it would give other people an idea, reason to drive slower, remembering there's other people on the road, not just themselves. Well, this is Austin, Texas. This is how it looks like. Still no electricity in a lot of areas around here. So, I mean, there's those little kids, there's families, there's elderly, a lot of people without any heat at all at their house, relying only on their body heat and blankets and extra clothing attire. Well, I really hope that the electrical company gets this power back on and gets all these people back and warmed up and everything. And the store that I'm protecting, I just hope they got power. Cameras, we have cameras, but they're on battery power, and I think they're almost dead. The battery power backups are almost gone. But I'm going back there now. I'm about 4 miles now away. All right. I'll catch up with you guys next time. Thank you all for watching.